This is at least one way. This is how I put the elbow covers on the elbows on these arms. You've got two hooks up here. Just hook that so it catches the top edge there. And then you can kind of push it down and you hear that snap. And that means it's in there properly. Again, you do the same thing. And push it down. And there it is. But the important thing is this has to move back and forth a little bit, especially when you've got this first one on. You can get it, make certain that it just has that little bit of wiggle. If it doesn't have that wiggle, when you stretch the arm out all the way, it's going to pop that cover right off. And there, if you got them on right, you can do that and all the way up like this, and they don't go popping off. If they're not on quite right, there you go. And that's all for that one.